How to create a lo-fi channel on YouTube. Creating a lo-fi channel on YouTube is one of the simplest ways to build a long-term digital asset that works quietly in the background while you focus on other projects. Lo-fi content works because it fits naturally into how people already use YouTube. Viewers are not looking for flashy visuals or constant engagement. They want something steady, calming, and reliable that helps them study, work, relax, or sleep. And that makes this type of channel ideal for creators who want consistency without constant pressure. The foundation of a lo-fi channel starts with sound. Instrumental, low-tempo tracks with a relaxed feel create an atmosphere that listeners can stay with for hours. Because the focus is mood rather than lyrics, the same audio can support multiple videos when paired with different visuals or formats. This allows you to build a library once and deploy it many times. Next comes visuals. Lo-fi visuals do not need to be complex. A looping animation, a slow pan across an illustration, or a simple static image with subtle motion is often enough. The goal is not to distract the listener, but to create a visual anchor that feels consistent with the sound. Simple visuals also make it easier to maintain a regular upload schedule. Once your audio and visuals are paired, think in terms of duration. Longer videos often perform well because they increase watch time and encourage repeat listening. 1 hour, 2 hour, or even longer sessions give viewers a reason to stay on your channel without constantly switching videos. This can improve overall channel performance over time. Now let's talk about leverage. A lo-fi channel does not have to exist for views alone. It can act as the front door to a larger ecosystem. A simple link in the description can lead viewers to a playlist, a download, a newsletter, or a resource page related to focus, productivity, creativity, or relaxation. Because lo-fi audiences value calm and simplicity, subtle calls to action work best. Another way to extend the value is through variations. One sound foundation can support different themes such as late night focus, morning productivity, rainy day vibes, or creative flow sessions. Each variation becomes a new entry point into your channel without starting from scratch. Consistency matters more than volume. A small collection of well-structured videos published regularly will outperform a large batch uploaded once and abandoned. Treat your channel like a slow burn project rather than a short-term experiment. Over time, your lo-fi channel becomes more than content. It becomes a reusable media asset that can support branding, audience growth, and future offers without requiring constant reinvention. And that is what makes this model so powerful.